If you're on Shopify and you use Klaviyo for email delivery, this is a workflow that will allow you to trigger a Klaviyo flow when an order is delivered. Using our app Tractor, which integrates with 1,500 carriers in order to know the exact moment that a package is delivered to your customer. Let's jump in. All right, let's go ahead and install the template. And all we're gonna have to do is connect up to Klaviyo. Now you're gonna have to already have our Tractor app installed. Let me just pull that up. Here is the Tractor app, which is the one that is going to go ahead and connect to all the carriers to actually track the status of the fulfillment. And let's go ahead and run a test. Now, testing it is going to be a little tricky because we don't have a lot of live fulfillment data to pull from. So in order to test it, and actually for me in my demo store, it's even harder to test because really you can only see a delivery status when you have an actual tracking number with an actual carrier. So this is one of my orders. But if you're testing this in a live store, it's going to be super easy to do because you'll have orders getting fulfilled all the time. When you fulfill an item and you enter your tracking number in your carrier, things like that, that's where Tractor is going to pull those in and then update the status of them. So it'll be a lot easier to test for you in an actual store versus a dev store. But basically, when that triggers a change, it will come into here. We're going to retrieve the order. And then here's where we're creating that Klaviyo event. And you've got that's the name of the metric that we created, order delivered. And we're passing in the order name, fulfillment ID, and fulfillment status. So if you need to add additional properties, you can do that here. And you can add in whatever you want. And then we've got a couple other demo videos where we showed how the Klaviyo flows work. Here's a good example where you can see in Klaviyo how we set the flow up with the custom metrics. You can reference this demo video there to see that stuff. And so that is about it. Hope that you are able to get that installed and let us know if you need any help setting that up.